Okay, hello. I hope my mics work. Yes, it is working. So, yeah, hello again. It is Minh Hikari, and you are currently watching Quarter to 11. And the stream today is a bit unexpected, to tell the truth. So, if you hear my voice, it's a little bit weak or strange this morning, this evening, then yeah, there's something happening within today as well. So, in theory, I should have been in the year-end party of my company this evening, which means I should not streaming here, or if I'm streaming at the current moment, then I will say something like, oh hey, I am at my company year-end party and we are currently enjoying the party to the fullest. But no, things turns out to be so different than I am anticipated. So basically the thing is, I got how much age this morning, and it actually turns out to be the one that I cannot ignore for the rest of the day. Yeah, I got it for the whole day, and I actually need to go and deal with it like 4 times in the on my company already. So after that, at about 3 p.m, I decided that okay, I cannot stand how much age, so I decided to leave a message, notify my leaders that hey, I'm feeling not good, and I decided so I will call the rest of the day sick leave. And yeah, that is the first 3 hours of sick leave that I log into the time registration system of my company. So I leave the company earlier, and also because of that I actually cancelled my plan with the year-end party at the company as well. And I actually already lying in my bedroom watching AGDQ 2025 to queue times, but then it is so boring. Okay, not the event is boring, but I feel that okay, I want to do something a little bit more productive since I begin to get boring. And yeah, we have the stream today as the result. So if you happen somehow to have me here, especially if anyone in my company, if you are seeing me up here, then that is the story. Yeah, that is the last minute cancellation from me, and currently my stomach is better, much better, but it is still not in a great shape at the moment. So I actually need to take more rest. So going up here streaming, you can just understand this. Yeah, you can just see this stream as something that I will do to kill time as well. All right. So but beside that, I will try to come down shortly. Actually, I just started the stream, I know, but I will actually come down at 9 to pray with my family. So of course we will have a 30 minutes break, which is a little bit strange because we just like 15 minutes in the stream. So but that is the thing, that is the normal schedule already, and I actually want to have just a little bit more time, even 10 or 15 minutes to do more things. So yeah. Oh, and the reason why I'm not showing you myself for today's stream is actually I am currently a mess now. So I normally don't mind if I need to show you that if I show you my current state on the stream, but I am just not feeling it at the moment. So just for your information. Okay then, I think enough talking, and actually let's get started. Let's go into the productivity mode. I hope so. This is course. Wow, this is yeah, I'm not actually expecting this one, but I actually want to open another one. Okay, so this is the API that we are currently working on. So I will actually start it up using this part right here. hopefully it will play nice for me. Okay, it seems that it is. So that is started, and I also want to open my front end app as well. Wait, hold on. I want to open my front end app because the next work that I'm gonna do is actually within the backend. As yeah, I actually need to do something in the backend now, and not really touching the front end because from the last stream, if you are remember, then we actually have, what the heck is this one again? Oh, I completely forgot to check. Okay, hold on, let me actually check the workspace a bit. No, this is not the one. Hold on a second. Where's the button for changing the content? Okay, right here. So this is my vault, and I actually want to close this vault as well. Obsidian, where are you? Here, right there. So this is my catechism. So don't mind that. I want to show you this one now. So what is this one? Okay, this is the PNG. Okay, so basically last stream we have the data model of my PoC up here, and there's one change that I want to address here before we actually get into any coding and prepare all of those models inside our app. And of course we will not doing it at once. We will try to figure it out what should we have first, and then we will work our way up. Okay, so there is something that I actually want to address, and this is inside the test here. So I completely forgot about something called the factors, because in Vietnam some tests will have greater factors, like it is more important. So when you take that test score to calculate the average score of a student, then you will actually need to double that score or triple that score based on how important it is. We normally that we call a small test or a 15-minute test. We also have a checkup test for not really a test, but we just want to have some how can I say that, some oral tests as well. And all of the score of those tests are actually go with a factor 1.0, which means that the score of the test, when being considered to calculate the average score, will be that score only, not having any factors at all. So basically factors 1, because anything times 1 is still that number, right? We also have like a 15 minutes test as well, and that is also factor 1.0 as well. We have but we will have a 45 or 60 minute test that normally happen in the middle of the semester, and those tests are only 2.0, which means you need to times the score by 2 when you do the average calculation. And finally, we have the finals, the semester finals. So the final test of each semester will be times 3. And that is basically what is generally happening in Vietnam right now. With catechist here, I actually want to give like doing a little bit more to that. So like we don't really have that rule, but we give the ability, so we can actually control the factors that that test, like how to just stress out how important that test will be when it is considered into the final report of the student result. So I will add one more column inside this right here called factors. Factor, and this factor here will be 1.0, 2.0, or 3.0. So it will be an integer, or we can yeah, and that factor will be set for each test, and that factor will be also the one that we will use for calculating the average score later based on the logic that I just say to you. There is something else that someone actually want me to add the semester inside here as well. Which is just like a group of score for showing in a semester. I know that currently the data model of me here actually do not having anything that needs semester to work with, but let me actually just put it there and see how can I play around with the idea there, because like we already have the test, right? So why do we need yeah, we have all the tests. We can use the score of all the tests to calculate the average already. So this semester column here is just more for displaying the score when we actually need to group them into a group that will be shown together, and that's basically it. Alright, so that's the only change that I will do. So the next step is really clear. We actually need to have this model into our code base, which will be the main thing that I will do in this stream. So we will prepare those, and of course we are not preparing those at once. We will try to do it gradually, right? So we will get this back here, so I can actually begin to code now. And it should go, everything should go inside this function right here. Now let me actually grab this out again and see like, okay, what do we actually need first, because like we already have this user account being created already. Now what do we actually need to have nice related to that? I think we actually need to have this center first, because we actually need the student first, and then let's see how things will go, right? Because we still need to create a class, we still need to create a we still need to put those students into a class, we still need to create those classes as well, we still need to and because we already have classes, that we will actually need to have the study year, the test something as well. So let's see how this will go out, and wait for me a bit because I actually want to change my setting. So wait for me for like 1 minute. Okay, I feel much better now, so let's do it. Now I actually need to create a model, and that model I will call it, I actually realized that I want to get my microphone a bit there, so yeah. Alright, that seems like it. Okay, so let's create those classes here. So the first class that I'm going to create is student. Oh, where's the .py thing? Okay, so we have the student. We'll basically copy this as the base, and we'll use UUID 4 for them, for the ID. We don't actually need user machine anymore, so no, thank you. Alright. Okay. So we have ID, UUID, this is fine. I use UUID because in the future we might need to integrate the student into another system, since this is the first system, so I am also trying to calculate things a little bit in the future there. So that's basically why. I am absolutely aware that there are very many people that say we should not do it, but mainly they are, but the reason why they say that, because UUID is actually too much for performance and something like that. I don't actually care about the performance at the moment, but because because I can ensure the unique of those logic ID when we need to deal and integrate those with the other system. So I think UUID here is fine. Just say otherwise if you are disagreeing with me. Yeah, that's just my personal preference on that one. Okay, we will need to have also again student code. That will be a string. 100. Well, to get into the student code, like what do we have, like NK 2024, RGL 2024, HV or HS 0001, something like that. So I actually need to think up about a format for the student code, mainly because I want them to have one code only that will follow them in their whole study year there, so on 12 years. Okay, so I cannot get anything related to their class that will be changed every year. So like I actually want to get into them like some very like yes, something static, and stay with them the same for 12 years. That is the main reason. Okay, so we have the student code now. Now we also have we don't actually need this unique, and let's limit this at 20 as well, but we have sent name. That's it, and this can be null. So that's actually, yeah, because I don't really know, I don't really know the default value, so we will just say nullable is true specifically. Well, maybe I can just yeah, I don't know, I actually can look it up later on, but we have first name. The thing is, this cannot be known. This can be though. The name. I already see in Vietnam. You can see the name that is 3 or 4 words. But I already met some people with only 2 words in their name. One of my own classmates where in secondary or high school have it, so I actually need to support this. Last name is not nullable as well, so we got that. I don't actually need those 2, but let's just comment those so we can actually use them as reference if we need. We have gender. Oh yeah, we have gender. Now, gender is something really fun, right? Let's go with gender. I don't know. And I actually want to do something a little bit better here, so yeah, the thing is I'm currently thinking a bit about that. I think it should be still like it. I think it should be still like this. Hold on. Let's just list out the field first. Date of birth. True, because they may not know about that. This is the date only is working fine. Address 1. Let's go for that, and address 2. Yeah, I think that is enough for now. We don't need address 3. We can say those noon. We can say those noon for now. We can say those noon for now. We can say those noon for now. Okay. Their phone though, do we need it now? No, this is just a PoC. I don't actually need it. Which means I don't really think we also need this as well, right? Like, I maybe added more than I need, because with the logic that we are building for this one, we don't actually have any reason to have the date of birth here. But still, that is something that I actually want to add in, so let's see how it goes. Like, yeah, if we need phone number, we can add it later. No worries at all. No worries at all, because like not every single of my students actually have their own phone number yet, so that's why. Oh, it's already 9. Oh, okay, let me actually sit to 9:10 and then I will come down. Yeah, I will sit to 9:10 and then we will come down. But I think this is good. I actually want to look at the gender here, so and with that. With the gender one, I think I will want to use a very specific thing. So let me actually looking at my own project. No, this is not a system. Hold on a second. So API. And we have models, we have script, models, and we have this one. So what is the gender that I currently think in? I supposedly have, okay, so null label by default will be true, which means I can actually remove all of those. Okay, good things that I found out pretty quickly. Okay, so I only need to specify null label to phones for something that cannot be null. Alright, that is something that I will absolutely remember now, I hope. Oh wow, where's the gender? Hold on a second. Because like this is my own project here, is also about the same thing, and actually this project is already dropped, but somehow I do not see gender inside here. So oh wow, okay, this is new. I don't actually have gender inside here. Oh, what is the, oh wow, this is, yeah, this is very worrying. Why did I miss that in my old one there? Okay, so it's not working. Hold on, I actually need to look at the more models so I can actually take some inspiration, because what I want to use is okay, there we go. Yeah, I actually have some minimum that I can actually use. So I can use something like this one, gender. The thing is, I actually need to So let me actually hard coding this one. So I will need to go to helpers and enums to code out those enums first. Helpers, enums. So can I do that inside here as well? Yeah, I think yes. Let's go for enums. Let's go for let's go for student gender enum. Maybe we don't actually need to do that. Hold on a second. Let delete that. Let delete all of that. We can just create a file called enum.py inside here, and then code every single enum inside. Oh, what I am doing. Point. Okay, that's fine. So I can just import enum, and now I can go class student gender enum enum as expected. Now we have male. Let's do that. We have female. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now inside here I just need to say yep, that's helper.enums. Is that correct? Let me actually check it again. So helpers, no, I know that. Hold on. Models, go for account. We have, yes, that is correct. So we have this one right here, and this is not null as well, since we need to know the gender of this student. So that is good. Yep, that seems beautifully created. And this is actually not account, this is student. Alright, let's try to run out the thing. So that.bnv bin activate. Hold on a second, what is that? Wait. Let's go for yeah, bnv bin and activate. Okay, flux db migrate create student mode table. Oh, I completely forgot to start setting up. Haha. Oh, nice. And one more thing to do, I actually need to insert it inside here as well. So from student import, we need that. So this command can actually be picked up beautifully. So go inside here, migration. We have every single thing being created. We have some enum being created here. So if I update the enum later, then we would be a thing. I don't know, but yeah, we actually need to add the commit inside here. So hold on a second. Let me go to models. No migration. Want to look at some migration file as well. Okay, since we're using OP, then it should be something like this, and this is also the same thing. So if I run flux db upgrade now, yeah, that table should be already created. So Let me actually go to dbeaver. I know it is 9:10, so let me do the check really quick, and then we'll come down and rest. No, please, thank you. I should already, come on, hold on a second. I should already have a connection inside here, right? So, oh yeah, that is a bit strange. So let me actually connect into the DB really quick here. So yes, test connection. Wait, is that? Okay, a little bit strange, but I will do that. Oh, it will take a while. 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 No way. Hold on, we might be there. We might be there soon. We might be there soon. Okay, that is good. Yeah, let's not do that. Test connection again. What the heck is happening? I already created it, right? So, so we have localhost 55432, so it should be already connected. What the heck is happening? Wait a bit. Did I already map the 532 out? I think I have. Yeah, I already done it. Oh, maybe. Hold on. Oh yeah, I missed the password. That's all. So not this one, but if I go to this one right here, you should see that we already have the student calculated, which is pretty good right here, and we can actually get something into there as well. Okay, so things looks pretty good currently, which means I actually need to come down now, so it will be a break. I will see you at maybe between 9:30 to 9:45 based on how fast the price session goes. So yeah, maybe you can go to check out AGDQ for the time being. Shout out to them as well. Yeah, currently the run is Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, so if you are interested in that game and that run, so go to AGDQ awesomegames.quick.org or .com, and they also have a Twitch channel which they also stream that on Twitch channel as well, so go follow them. That is all. I always follow them. I always follow that event every single year, and this year is also not an exception as well. So yeah, you can go there for a break, and we'll see each other again at 9:30 or at 9:30, in between 9:30 to 9:45. Okay, hello there. I am back. Just finished playing with my family. I have a cup of water next to me to make sure that I'm stay hydrated. So yeah, one important thing is stay hydrated, guys. Especially if you are continuously sitting in air conditioner. Hydrated is really important. Alright, so let's continue. I think this is good for the student table already. The thing is, we are actually cannot doing too much with this table, so I will absolutely need to create some more. So we already have this table created. Now I actually need to get the class table created as well, since I want to separate those students into classes. The thing is, if I wanted to create this classes table, I actually need to create grades, and for creating grades I actually need to create this the year as well. So let's create them one by one, shall we? So this is good for now. Let's create the next one inside our chain, which is the year. And again, I completely forgot that I actually need to say PY at the moment. One more thing that I actually want to check, like the name of the model. Should I use? Oh, I should not use. Yeah, this looks better. Is it? Okay, I actually need to look at my old project once more, so I will continuously jumping back and forth on that. Why I am jumping out there. Not the one I want to jump into. This one though, yes it is. Okay, so the main table, so all of my models is in singular, but I specify the table name. Oh, that is why. That is why. That is basically the reason why. Okay. Okay. Hold on. That is basically the reason why I have the table name as Yep, it is something that I actually need to pay attention later on. So all of my name here need to be in lowercase, but the table name should be in plural, right? So let's keep it for now. I hope that it will. Yeah, let's keep this for now. Yes, let's see. And do we have anything? Don't check in the schema. Nice, beautiful. All right, so I think that is already good. Yeah, let's stay like this for now. Next time I actually need to create the table name, because I will actually record it every single of this again when we come to not a PoC but in the main project. I will actually need to do this in a better way. So yeah, my PoC will be a bit different since it will be a completely separated PoC. For the main project that will come later, it will be in another project, and I will try to restructure it and apply more practice inside that project as well. For now, I want just a very quick PoC to see how much it changed our work for student management. And that's basically it. I want to see it in the practice first. So basically I'm coding some tool for helping me in my job as well. Okay, let's keep it for now. We have do that. We have study year now. And what is study year? Yeah, do we have study year? Webcam. Training courses. Oh, in the old one I referred it as training courses. Okay, so we may not need UID 4 here since it is really only for this information. So that is the thing, that is the reason that I think that, and so that is one of the reasons why I think that it should, that I don't think this one should not be. Wait, hold on. Don't worry, I have, don't worry, I have UID. Oh yeah, I just realized that. Yeah, I actually need to know what that student belong to, which training, to which study year as well. Oh, but I can actually try to answer that. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that is a good idea since maybe, just maybe, it is a pretty good idea to add that inside the study as well. But since we already have the ID that can actually tone us a little bit inside, so I think that's fine. Unless I actually really need to link the student with the study. Anyway, let's try to see what should be inside the study year as well. So we have, I don't actually need to see them anymore since it is not related to that. DB column UUID, I don't think I actually need UUID. I only need a normal primary key. So can I just say primary key is true, and it should actually generate me like an integer sequence or something like that. What is in my old project? Like, do I actually have something that is not UUID as oh yeah, we don't. Oh yeah, we don't. Oh yeah, we don't. I don't know the reason, but it seems that I don't really have anything regarding that one. So yeah, let me actually research this a bit. So alchemy, primary key auto increment one. So primary key is true, and it is still more safe for me to say that this one is integer. Do we have db.integer here? No. I think that is good enough already. Okay. This is 30 year, right? Okay, we have db, we have integer, we have column, primary key is true, and this is already enough for this 30 year. I don't really need to use the UUD4 inside there. Okay, maybe I will simplify this one to code later on, since it seems to be a good idea, since I know the year.code will be sometime, right? db column, db string 20, I think it is fine for now, so unique is true. It should be unique and cannot be yes. I have a name, db string. Let's go for 100 and cannot null. We need a name. We need a description for that as well. Let's go for task. Do we actually have it? We might have it. Yes. Oh yeah, we might have it. And we actually don't need anything else. db.integer. I don't know if we actually have this one or not, but it seems that yeah, we have a task as well, so let me just do that for quick. Yep, SQL type, beautiful. Alright, I think this is so enough for study year, so let me actually do that for now. Oh, I normally want to add some audit column inside here, but I think it is too late for this right now, so we don't actually need to know that currently. So yeah, that's fine. So let's now go and do the plus db. Migrate command. Oh wait, hold on. I actually need to edit inside here as well. So from this is the base. So I think it should be in front here. From study year import study year. Okay. Create study year table. That's it. Actually get that down here instead. Okay, so we already have the study year table inside here, and I actually need to do the same thing as well. op.execute commit and this one as well before we run upgrade. We got it. So study year is now created. Let's create grade and classes. So let me create a new file, grades.py. Let's copy this. It should be as simple as this is. Great. Yes, this is fine. Study year code, I think this is also fine. No, this is not study year code. Is grade code. Cool. This is unique, and string 20 is more than enough for anything related to code. Name is fine. We need a relation to the year now. So how can we define that? Is a question. A pretty good question, in fact. So how I normally do relationship. Okay. So So this is how. I will have a relationship name oh wait, hold on, this is not so, yeah, I am preparing to taking this into before I realize that, wait, hold on, maybe it is not a good idea since this seems to be a many too many one, because I actually have this table right here. So hold on a second. Yeah, this is not good. This I don't actually want to use that one though. I actually want to have another type of relation here that I can actually use. So hold on a second. We have relationship. Oh, this looks better. So, oh, I still have the ID. Okay, like I still need to have the ID here, and I actually need to define it as a foreign key as well. So let's do that. That will be a study year ID. And this is not UUID, this is clearly integer. The thing is, I will want to have nullable is correct. The thing is, I want to do db.foreign key study year.id. We have study year as the name of the table is correct, and I know that there's an ID here, and I can actually create the relationship as well. Or do I actually need to create it now or something like that? Like, hold on, let's keep it like this and go for this one. Let's go for from grade, import grade, create grade table. Okay, that is working, and actually add that in. Yes, that one and this one as well. Separate that. Now I want to do one more thing. Like, what if I actually need to create that study year inside? So we have the study as well. We have the backgraph, lazy. Or I can just say I have the foreign key is study year ID. If I actually want to create something else, no changes. So this is optional. This is optional. I can have it now, or I can have it later. So when I go grade dot study year, then since if I got grade dot study year, then I will not really get the ID, but I will also get the whole study object as well. So that seems to be fine. Not needed right now, but seems fine. So I will actually keep it like inside there currently. As an example, I will definitely need to trace it back later on. So that is great, complete. I need classes now. Yeah, let's create a file called class.py, and this is one thing that I'm a little bit scary. This seems like a bit scary because, like, in Python, class is actually a keyword right here. So if I class dot something, maybe I will get into trouble. I don't know, but this one is a little bit different here. I don't know if this is fine or not, to tell the truth. So chat, I don't know any one of you currently watching, but is it a bad idea? I hope not. I really hope not. I really hope that it will not be a bad one. This will be a pretty bad idea if I actually need to use class like that. Okay, go down here. We have name. Yes. Now we have rate. Yes, and I actually need to do the force key too. I think grade.id is fine. Let's delete that relationship. I don't need that this for now. Grade is actually integer the primary key, right? Yes, that's correct. Oh, that seems pretty good already. So let's creating that now. So go to edit, from class, import. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we actually get into a trouble here. Huh, yeah. Yeah, I don't think Python likes that. I don't think Python likes this. I don't think Python likes this, so I actually need to change the name. Okay, I will do something really controversial here because I have an account ChatGPT, so let me actually do that really quickly. Hold on a second. Because let's lock it. Let's lock it. Let's lock it. Oh, pin code, sorry, I completely forgot that. ChatGPT, my own account, yes. Yes, password. Okay, need to check my mail now. It should be utilities, right? Utilities inbox. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that code is beautiful. It go forward and backward. It's going forward and backward is the same code actually. I need a better name for. I am developing a student management system and need an alternative name for class. Class where class is for class. I don't know. Do we have any? Can you suggest some for me? Let's see chat how ChatGPT. Oh, let me actually show you the answer. To tell the truth, I also have a little bit trouble trying to thinking how to say, but they actually told, but this one I actually already think about section and unit. So those two is already in my mind for now. Division. Can I actually give more? Maybe I will use unit because unit is really good. Student unit to point out to class is actually pretty good, to tell the truth. I think I'll go with unit. Cohort, what is that? Stream level. Level is no, level is not good. Like let's see. Section is also a thing that I can use. Section 1A, section 1B, section 1C. Yeah, that is a pretty dope name as well. Group is a bit like in the section we can actually have more group as well. Division, grade section. We can actually call that a unit as well, like unit 1A, 1B, and there is like someone who will take responsibility on that unit or on that section. So unit and section is two things. I am still being more into the name unit than section. Let's go with unit. I think unit is the best here. So let's change the name to unit. Unit ID. Which means I will actually want to update the data model a bit. So anywhere we say classes, we say units. Unit code. Unit ID here. Semester, student, and I will say this as unit as well. All right, that's okay. That sounds pretty good for me. Pretty damn good for me. Unit, and inside here from unit, import unit. That is something we are doing right here. That's pretty good. So let's go create a unit, which means class table. Okay, unit. That is beautiful too. All right, and upgrade so we have the table created as well. Okay, so we have this, so we have as the year, we have grade, we have units, and we have student already been created. Now I actually need to put those students into those units as well, so we actually need this table right now. Student classes. Okay, I still prefer to have a dedicated class to do this. I know that there is some way that you can still have the relation and that table created automatically by configuring the class correctly, but I actually still want, I prefer to see those classes inside the application itself, even if it's just a secondary class that is used to connect between two models that we are currently having here. So I am creating it now, a new file. This file will be a bit special. This file will call student unit, and this will be our student classes, which I actually need to change the name inside the mockup as well. Hold on a second. Unit building. Alright, so student unit, what do we need? That is many to many table. That table is purely a relation table. Again, why I'm opening this one? Oh, what the heck is that? Okay, never mind. I don't know what's happening there, but I think we may or may not survive YouTube there. I don't know if my stream how's my stream look like on YouTube there, but I hope it is fine at the moment. I hope it is still healthy. Where's my thing again? Hold on a second. Yeah, there we go. So let's see, how am I currently doing this in my old one? So I actually need to, like the student training course, for example. So I got 2 columns, and I will actually need to say some constraint for the primary key as well, because the student and the unit combine as a primary key. That is what this is for, right? So I actually need to take that from as well. Alright, let's copy the whole thing in, and let's go to the student ID as UUID is correct. Training course ID, this is study year ID. This is integer. Hold on a second. This is integer, right? So I actually need to import from Webcam, import integer. Yes, and actually say integer right here. Okay. Now foreign key, this one will be student. We don't actually have S here, so that's fine. We have study year.id, and we are not allowed any one of those to be nullable. So this will be student unit. Oh, this is not study ID, sorry. Unit ID, and that will be integer as well. I believe the unit is integer. Yes. So this is the unit ID, student ID, and I actually want to add this one in as well. So student unit, I don't have this one, and I still have the UUID as student ID, so I think that is fine. Alright, seems fine. Let's add it inside here from let's see if it's want to work or not. Let me actually check my own code also to see that if I really add the many-to-many inside there as well. Yes, we are. Yes, I am. Yes, I absolutely am. Create a student class, create student unit, student class table. So this will be the many-to-many table of us, and it is still pretty chilling and easy at the moment. So upgrade, and we are good. So we have, we already have this one. Let me show you. So we already have this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one already. So I think we already have the base for getting our student info into the system, and also we already have enough info for separating those students into the classes, aka units. So I think that is actually enough already for us to try to display the student inside the application already, which means I actually need to get some information about our student into the system, right? The thing is, I will absolutely need to like reading that from somewhere, like an Excel file or something, and imported it in and imported them inside here. Which, for your information, we actually have a file. The thing is, for the sake of privacy, I actually need to anonymize those files first before I can actually do anything more regarding it. So for that matter, I don't think I will do that on stream. For your information, of course I will try to still playing around with all of the all the fake info. Like, I cannot show you the information of my student, my real student up here. I actually need to anonymize them first, so we can actually grab that, and so we can actually grab some anonymized data and doing things here. But there is something that I think we can do, because like I can actually get the student inside here, but for having any chances of having the units or having like to get those students inside here, so like I actually need to populate the data for this one, this one, this one, right? So I actually need to find some way to do that now. Yeah, I actually need to find some way to do that now, so like I can actually generate those data in first. The reason is now, the question is now, how can I do that in a better way? It is something that I actually need to look at, but first let me actually commit all of those things in, because those things are really valuable and I don't really want to lose all of them. So add base models. Let me actually add them all in. Yes, and sync that up. Okay, now I actually need to find a way to import those, or I can actually basically go straight inside the Beaver and add something inside here fast. Basically that is a thing that can actually happen as well. So yeah, maybe that's a good idea. Yeah, let's actually disconnect and connect into this again, because we already have quite many updates into those now. All right, let me try to insert by hand some information. So we need the study year first. So the study year code will be hello. Can I actually add something in? Edit, add row. Yes. The study year code will be NK 2024 or GL NKGL 2024. This is the study year code. Name will be actually need to turn on Vietnamese right now. So does Vietnamese happen? It should happen, but somehow it is actually not really want to be inserted here. Okay, now it want to be. I can do that noon, and if I save it now, oh, I said the description is not known as well. This is not good, but yeah, there we go. And I did true. Holy crap! But yeah, we actually doing something else inside here. So the study year is fine, great. Let me actually add row. Let's go VD1. VD1. Name is, hold on a second, and this should be true. That work. Let me actually add more row inside. Copy those number. Hold on a second. Wait. Yeah, can I add a row in, please? Yes, BD. Yes, BD2. It's still this one, and go for another row. Oh, come on, please. Oh, I accidentally did that again. Okay. Edit add row. Wow, what the heck? Oh. Come on. And that will be only 2 as well. What is this? Oh, come on. Yes. And that is also fine. Let me add one more row inside. Just keep it like that. BD3, and that will be as well. So save and go back on grade. Okay, we have all the info we need here, and we actually need to have classes as well. So we have unit ID is 1, so unit ID Wait, unit ID. Hold on, the grade code will actually need to look at again. So this will not be this one, but it will be the combination of, hold on a second. So it will be a combination of study year. So this is NK 2024 yes. Okay, great. Will be right. Should be like this. Save. And let's not really doing Vietnamese thing inside there. Oh, what the heck is that? This is not. And this one is also right there. Again. Here we go. Now, when we go to the unit, the ID is one, right? So the unit ID will need to be something like the following. Yeah, the name is grade ID will be 1. Save. I duplicate the row. Maybe can I duplicate that? Yes, beautiful. This will be B. This will be B. Duplicate as well. This is C. This is C. And this is D. Let's go to copy, edit, and duplicate row. This is D. This is D as well. And grade ID is still 1. So if I save it now, everything is fine. Now, I want to add row. So this will be NKGL 2024. VD2A. This will be from the latest information. I think this year this by the high grade is only have 1 classes, so we can keep that. So we can keep it like that, and this should be this value right here. Let's just say it is 2A, right? Duplicate this one as well. Yes, and this will be 3A. This will need to be this one. Okay, so yeah, we already have the information for the grade, for the year, and for the unit as well. So this will be the starting point where I actually can add the data regarding the student inside our class as well, inside our system as well. But the thing is, I will actually need to have times to how can I say this? I actually want to have time for anonymize them, and I would definitely do that with off stream, because I don't actually want to accidentally display anything that is dedicated to my student on stream since they are private. Their private information. The fact that showing the name of the student is already might be really uncomfortable, to tell the truth. So yeah, I will try to end on my stuff, but at least so I am currently sitting here and thinking like we still have like 17 minutes. So what can I do still on the stream today? We already have the base model we created, and I am kind of creating more, like wanting to create more inside here, but there's something that tells me that I should stop, because this is the sweet spot that I can actually get back to the front end and actually having something shown as well. Oh, if I actually look at the mockup again, so I can actually have the list of the class being displayed already, right? So that means I can actually try to write an API regarding class already. So let's go down to handlers, and I want to create a new file called unit.py. So anything regarding our unit will be inside here. So let me actually copy something really quickly, saying that this is unit, blueprint. So just renaming things here, unit blueprint, and this blueprint will be named like this. Complete the service. I still need the DBS wells, and so let's keep everything up here. Unit handler. Remember, this have S, right? I will also have unit handler. And I actually want to have a get here. So this will get us own units. This will be unit handler. So unit endpoint view, and I want to go to unit bp dot add rule and go to units, right? And view function will be this view, and the method I'm going to is get. So this will be a get, right? So basically I want to get all. That's it. I want to get every single unit. So I can actually do something really quickly like this. Yeah, that basically it. But actually, let's see. Is there anything else that I should do when I actually like getting the training courses to display? So anything related to that should be inside. Yeah, like if I want to get something list, I think that should be inside. It is what I am currently thinking about. Oh yeah, I actually want to write it inside. Yep, I will actually want to get them inside the training course list. Yeah, I actually want to write that one inside the service. So let me actually create a service called unit py. Inside here, I want to have a function name get all units, right? So I can actually return something here. Let me actually look at the thing really quickly. So this is basically training course. Like the class, I actually need to import the class as well. Import from models. Import unit. So I basically have unit.query.all. That's basically it, but I cannot just return it like that one because I also want to transform them into something more like JSON friendly. Hello Anne, I see your comments there. It is in Vietnamese, so he's asking me that I am currently working on this alone. So I will take a little bit of moment. So Anne, yes, cái này anh đang làm rồi. Nó mới là PoC thôi. Gọi là để có cái gì đó run thử xem thử coi nó hiệu quả đến đâu. Nếu mà cái PoC này thấy ổn, lúc đấy thì mới có thể gọi là phải có cái gì đó chạy, có kết quả thì mới bắt đầu kêu gọi được. Chứ còn bây giờ chưa dám kêu gọi thêm ai vô phụ cái này đâu. Với lại một phần cũng để anh familiar lại với lại Python với lại JavaScript, tại cũng lâu rồi chưa đụng vào Python lại. That's just it. Okay. Yeah, back to English, I guess. Yeah, I am currently looking at I am thinking about a way that I can serialize this back to JSON, and I'm currently looking at how can I do that. It seems that I am actually yep, I am currently thinking that, is it good that I am doing this inside the service as well, or should I have a 2 JSON? Yeah, actually a 2 JSON is actually better, right? I think there's a design part regarding this one that I actually need to look up for later on. But yeah, it seems that it is a thing that I can actually use as well. Okay, so let's just get back here and call and try and let us just try to call out that service. So this will be service for us. I actually want to turn off Vietnamese import scenes. So no, not create unit. This one right here. I will call this very simply like that, and the JSONify, let me returning this. This is not the meshes. I want to get the data. The data will be the units. Meshes is, yeah, let's just do that, and this one should be 200. Beauty. This is still running. It seems it's still running, but let me actually restart it to make sure things are fine. Okay, yes, sorry, and I actually lost your comment a little bit there. Vietnamese again, so excuse me there. May của anh có Việt sub. Yes. Thì giống như anh nói là anh vẫn dùng tiếng Anh là chủ đạo trong stream nhé, cho nên highly recommend em là nếu được thì cứ việc quăng tiếng Anh lên stream. Yeah. Làm cái ngành này mà không biết hoặc là gọi là yếu tiếng Anh thì rất là dễ dãy chết nha. Nói thẳng và nói thật luôn. Kiếm một cái môi trường nào để mình có thể luyện và mình sử dụng tiếng Anh hàng ngày vẫn là một cái gì đó rất là anh rất là khuyến khích. Vào net company đi anh, vào net company đi, nhân thể quảng cáo công ty luôn. Yay. Thì nói chung là vẫn accept là những bạn nào mà yếu tiếng Anh quá thì có thể tương tác với anh bằng tiếng Việt cũng được, nhưng mà vẫn highly recommend, nhưng mà vẫn prefer tiếng Anh hơn nhé. Okay, back to English, I guess. We have 6 minutes. Oh yeah, what do I actually want to do with the thing now? Postman, I want to try to call that API. Oh, and again, I actually need to add one more thing to this API. A small touch, but also a very important touch. This one right here, haha. The flash login. I actually want to have it like yes, and down here. No, I don't actually want to. There is a way that I can actually specify multiples decorator there, right? Yeah, we have it. I actually want to use this in no, not inside here. Sorry. In the unit. Wow. And something tells me that I actually lost that again. So from flux login import login required. That's beauty. Okay. So I will need to authenticate first before I can actually calling the thing, right? So let me actually create a new endpoint here. Let's duplicate the thing here. Yeah, this is my postman for your information. I will call it get all unit. And this is not inside out. I actually want to create a new folder here very quickly. Call units. Yes. Put it here. Get all units. Oh wait, hold on. I'm not done yet. I actually need to register the unit to the blueprint also. So from handlers dot unit import, and do that for me please. Okay, so it will be unit for my postman. Is fine currently, and if I set it now, I'm not authorized yet, so I actually need to go here and call the login API first. That is true, and now if I call this, yay! As expected, yay! As expected, as you can see, after uptime unit is not serializable, so. Yay! I actually need to try to make it serialize something, right? Object of type unit cannot be serialized unless I have some way to serialize it. Oh, that is 3 minutes. Yeah, I can just return this. Or I can just do this. Wait. I don't know if I can do this, but yeah, there's no way. Hey, Python map, do we actually have it? Like I want to map it into something else, like something that I can I don't know if 2-dick will also do things, but let's see. I think it will not, but basically I will need to have that somewhere. Huh? No as well. This is a list, right? So yeah, I only have 1 minute there. So Python list map, the map function. Oh, so that function will be like this: map own units, and maybe this will be a bit different then. So at least I know how to use map. Object is, wow, this is something. Okay. Object is not iterable. What the heck is really happening? So yay. This is the final 40 sec. So I don't think I can actually do anything more about this. So this will be the end of the stream, where I'm actually hanging over the problem that I actually need to return like a dictionary or a JSON serializable object, so I can actually get the list of stream there, of units there. So maybe I will sit here a little bit to try to figure that out fast after the stream, but unfortunately we are running out of time now, and the stream actually needs to stop right now as the clock strikes 0 just moment. So again, this is everything that I can do for today, and I hope that my stomach will become better tomorrow morning. Thank you very much if you're still here, and I will see you in the next stream, hopefully soon. I am a little bit struggle with the plan since we are in the new anime season now, but I will try to keep up twice a week, so hopefully I can do that. Alright, that's all. Good night and see you next time. Bye.